Hello and welcome, friends. Anixter International is a company based in Glenview, Illinois, USA, and founded in 1957. The company supplies communications and security products, electrical and electronic wire and cable, fasteners, and other small components. Anixter is a Fortune 500 company with more than 5 crore square feet, 460,000 meters square of warehouse space. In 2011, the company had $6.15 billion in revenue, operating in 260 cities in 50 countries. The company operates with three major divisions: enterprise cable and security solutions, electrical and electronic wire and cable, fasteners. Anixter is a leading global supplier of communications and security products, electrical and electronic wire and cable, fasteners, and other small components. Anixter helps its customers specify solutions and make informed purchasing decisions around technologies, applications, and relevant standards. From a small family loan of $10,000 in 1957 to a global company with more than 8,200 employees in over 50 countries, Anixter has been redefining the distribution of wire and cable for more than 50 years. In the first decade of the 2000s, Anixter achieved $6 billion in sales, had more than 8,200 employees, and served markets as diverse as fasteners, physical security, and data communications. For a company that speaks 30 languages and has more than 1 lakh customers worldwide, Anixter has grown remarkably from the first day. Alan and Bill Anixter started to cut wire to length with the help of their mother's loan.
In 1957, two brothers took out a loan from their mother and started a business in a garage.
The company is 50 years old, a little over 50 years old now. Was started by two brothers 50 years ago with the idea that they could cause the supply chain to be more efficient before anybody even knew what supply chain term meant.
Anixter started out as a wire and cable company, bought by the mile, sold by the foot.
We brought something to the marketplace that nobody had done before, and that was we filled a void between the vendor and the end user.
They bought military surplus electrical cable and cut it to length and then resold it. Customers ordered the length of cable they wanted and got it in a few days. That sounds rather ordinary, but before the Anixter brothers, when you wanted to buy electrical cable, you called the manufacturer and waited 6 to 8 weeks for them to make what you needed and had to buy a minimum quantity. Being able to call and get what you needed and only what you needed within a few days revolutionized the industry.
Anixter understands your need to have an in-depth understanding of cabling and security technologies, best practices, and standards. Anixter has the latest technical and market knowledge of copper-based 10 gigabit Ethernet, wireless, fiber optic, and other IP-based solutions. Anixter's fastener business supplies high volume, low cost components and customized supply chain solutions to leading OEMs, original equipment manufacturers worldwide. Supply chain solutions allow customers to streamline their manufacturing processes, reduce overall costs, and focus their core competencies on the production of world-class products. Anixter's corporate sustainability program seeks to continuously improve business processes to control and reduce the impact associated with our targeted environmental aspects of energy, waste, materials and natural resources, transportation. By targeting measurable results within each environmental aspect, combined with using a sustainable path SM approach, which focuses on the economic, environmental, and social impacts of the organization, Anixter balances corporate social responsibility and return on investment. Anixter can be defined by one overriding characteristic: the immense value we deliver to our customers. By offering superior products, technological expertise, and worldwide supply chain solutions, Anixter has distinguished itself from other distributors to help our customers address their business challenges. Anixter would not be in this strong position without the support of a strong team across departments, divisions, and the globe.
Fundamental distribution is the basis for a good supply chain management program. Getting the right product to the right place at the right time, every time, requires a complex series of processes. Because the distribution of technology products is our core competency, Anixter will make the complex look simple. Anixter's process starts long before the products arrive at our warehouse. But today, we'll focus on our standard operating procedures in a typical warehouse within our distribution network. The process starts at our receiving dock, goes through put away, picking, through the shipping area, and onto the appropriate transportation carrier for delivery. Every warehouse event throughout this process is tracked and measured to ensure on-time shipping and accurate inventory. This is the receiving area. Anixter receives in over 3,700 purchase orders a day. In our receiving area, incoming products are inspected for damage and to make sure they match our original purchase order, and they are labeled. With the wave of a wireless wand, this pallet of product is now received, making it visible and available as inventory on eAnixter, our electronic ordering and tracking system. The next step is to put this product away in our rack area. Where the product goes depends on several factors, like its size, weight, and how fast it will move out of the warehouse. Smaller products and piece parts are typically held in the mezzanine area. Again, our wireless warehouse management system allows the warehouse associate to verify that the product has been put away in the right spot. When your order comes in, it's time for Anixter to take the product off the shelf and prepare it for shipment. Our warehouse associates are notified by a wireless device of products in their areas that need to be picked. Once picked, the products are then brought to an aggregation area. Here, our associates make sure that all of the items for an order are complete and ready for packaging and labeling. This is the basis of our concept called whole order delivery. Whole order delivery brings immediate cost savings and productivity benefits to your project or program. In shipping, we pack everything for safe delivery. We have several fixed packing areas with mobile pack stations that help us to scale up capabilities when needed. Our shipping processes are electronic and measured frequently. Our labels are barcoded and the information is linked to the carrier for order tracking. This is the fundamental distribution process used at all Anixter warehouses. No matter what city or even what country the warehouse is in, they all follow standard operating procedures that are constantly measured for quality control. But we don't stop with fundamental distribution. Anixter offers customized services to suit your individual needs. This includes custom cutting of cable to length. Our warehouse associates are highly trained to make sure the fiber or copper cables they cut are properly handled according to manufacturer and industry specifications. Another value-added service is bundling cables together to make installation much faster. This process, called speed pull, can be done with many different types of cables. Another way to make installation easier is to stripe cables or print on cables. We have the equipment to mark the cables any way you need. Another way to make installation easier is to put everything needed for a particular location all together in one well-labeled shipment. Kitting helps maintain compliance to product specifications, eases ordering, and ensures whole order delivery. All of these services and all the fundamental distribution processes are available around the world, from New Jersey to Nevada to Mechlin to Dubai to Singapore. Anixter has 5 million square feet of warehouse space in locations all around the world. Our commitment is to the same level of quality service no matter what warehouse is handling the order. Anixter's distribution capabilities bring you inventory visibility, inventory accuracy, repeatable process, and can scale to meet project demands. In other words, you will get the right product to the right place at the right time, every time.
We provide a workplace where all employees have the opportunity to reach their full potential and contribute to our overall success. We are committed to the fair and equitable treatment of all employees and applicants for employment. We treat each person fairly, courteously, respectfully, and with dignity. Our workplaces have an atmosphere of open communication and mutual respect, valuing each unique individual. We know that our diversity is what makes us strong and successful. Have a lovely day ahead.